Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to tell you that I finished my 3000 watch hours and minimum 500 subscribers condition in YouTube. Now if you're new to YouTube or you're planning to start a YouTube channel, you might have heard that for YouTube monetization there is a 4000 watch hours limit and 1000 subscribers, but there is another condition that is for 3000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, and I'm going to share it with you. So if you have finished your 3000 watch hours in last 365 days and you have 500 subscribers, you have some features which you can turn on after that. The first feature is the super thanks. Now what is super thanks? Super thanks is like a kind of a tip, you can say. Your fan can buy the super thanks package and they can send it to you and you can get it in the form of money. So that is the first feature that you can be eligible after 3000 watch hours in last 65 days and 500 subscribers. And the next is, if you are selling a product, for example, you can share your products across the channel from your own store. So this is the second feature, but right now I'm not having a store, I'm not selling anything. And the third feature is, you might have seen on some channels that when you subscribe there is another button that is to join their channel. That is a membership. So there is a minimum amount for which you can be a member of that channel. That will go to the channel owner. So this is the third feature which you can turn on after 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours in last 65 days. So I have finished my 3000 watch hours, and actually it's not in the 365 days, it's actually for 1.5 year, but actually I'm having 4000 hours but not in 365 days. That's why I just turned on those features at my channel. And the next thing is how you receive that money. So the process is the same. You will have an AdSense account. Now if you don't have any AdSense account, you don't need to hurry for that, because when you will meet that first condition, there will be a button that will pop up for Google AdSense account, and you can go to that Google AdSense page directly from your YouTube studio, and after that you will put your information there and your account will be ready. But the only thing is that they will send you a pin code and you will receive that pin code, I think after I don't know, in Turkey it's like I think 200 TL, I don't know. If someone know, please write in the comment what is the minimum amount for that, and after that amount they will send you the pin code to your address, and then your address will be confirmed. So right now I'm eligible for those features and I turned on those features. I'm not the membership right now, just only super thanks. Those features are turned on, and I have now for last 365 days I have 3400 watch hours, I guess, and only 600 watch hours left. After 600 watch hours I'll be able to monetize my video on YouTube. So if you are a new YouTuber, I hope it helped you, because when you search on the Google what is the condition for monetization, it's written that 4000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in last 90 days or 4000 watch hours in last 365 days and 1000 subscribers. But that 3000 watch hours and 500 subscribers eligibility features are not mentioned on Google. I mean, not on top, you have to search for that. So I hope this helped you. I wish you good luck for your new YouTube channel, and I wish my 4000 hours will be completed soon. So until my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.